Hello you guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to download photos from iCloud to your iPhone or import your iCloud photos on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is open your settings, and you can see I'm already logged into my Apple ID, but if you are not logged into an Apple ID, then tap to sign in your Apple ID and enter your password as well. And after you sign into your Apple ID, what I want you to do is click on the Apple ID, then you can click on iCloud, then click on photos, then toggle on the iCloud photos. As you can see, mine is turning here. And after this, you can there comes in settings of iCloud photos, and you can download the photos and keep the originals. As you can see, mine is not having enough space to sync with this iPhone, so mine cannot be done. In my phone, the photos cannot be downloaded. So if you also do not have space on your iCloud, then the photos cannot also be downloaded from your iCloud. But if you do have space, then you can click on the sync this iPhone, then there comes an option of download and keep originals. So click on it and your photos will be saved instantly. So this is a quick and easy way on how to download photos from your iCloud to your iPhone if you have space on your iCloud. So thank you for watching. If this video was very helpful, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, then please put it in the drop box below. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.